Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim here, and today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me for school, but it's Friday. So let's get started. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on those post notifications in just 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Give yourself a round of applause. Let's move on. Okay, so yeah. Today is a half day. And for breakfast, I think we're going to go get something to eat. But, yeah. So, I'm going to be using my Bubble Cloud Surf Water Cream Moisturizer. Yeah, I'm really excited for today. Because I think we might be doing some fun stuff since it's the day before, last day before, spring break. So, yeah, I'm really excited for that. Yesterday or last night was my open house, and it went really well. But yeah. So now I'm going to be using my Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. Oops, I forgot to rub it on my head. But yeah, and tomorrow I'm going to Sephora. But yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to be using my Bubble Level Up Balancing Moisturizer. I love the little flower. So cute. I really am digging Chick-fil-A right now. I just really want it. But yeah. So now I'm going to be using my Sunbum SPF 30. I love this stuff so much. But yeah, so there's nothing I'm really doing on spring break. I think I'm going to be kind of chilling, staying home, going to Sephora tomorrow, which I already said that. But yeah, so I'm really excited for some stuff. But yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to be using my Glow SB Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I think I did a little too much, but it's okay. It smells so good. It was kind of pricey, but it was worth it, I feel like. Okay. She's glowing. I don't know why I always say that. Yeah. Now I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Guys, my outfit for today is so cute. I'll show you when I'm done because today I woke up really late. I snoozed my alarm and I woke up at 6:15. So by now I think I have 25 minutes to get ready. No, probably 10. No, 15 probably. I don't really know. But yeah, kind of start speeding it up if you're wondering why. But oh my gosh, I don't know. I was about to use my blush already. Okay, I'm gonna be using my Be Beauty Essentials from Pop Shelf. I haven't been there in a hot minute. I really want to go. I can go on spring break. Oh, smart. Guys, did you know on Wednesday it was National Oreo Day, and me and my brother, my mom bought us Oreos, right? But my mom didn't tell us what they were because they were like blue and pink, and apparently they were like Galaxy. They were called like Galaxy I don't know, but Space Galaxy. And oh my gosh, it started popping in my mouth, and I was like, what is this? And she was like, it's Pop Rocks. And I was like, oh my gosh, because it tasted like the yellow Oreos at first, and I was like, there's nothing, because my mom was like, it's a special effect, and it like feels weird on your tongue. So I was like, oh, what would it be? So then that's when I was like, why is it so like crunchy or something like that? And my mom was like, because it's Pop Rocks. And I was like, what? That's so cool. And it tasted just like regular like Oreos. It didn't even like taste like Pop Rocks until like the end, because the Pop Rocks didn't really have like flavor. So it was really cool. And guys, if you're wondering where they are, they're at Walmart, and I didn't even know that. You can get a whole pack of them, and it doesn't even show the Oreo logo on the cookies. It shows like a I think it's like a oops, I think it was like a goat logo. I don't really know, but it was Oreos. Let me tell you that it was Oreos. Just it didn't have the right logo on it. And my mom said that there's a bunch of different flavors you guys can get at Walmart, because it was National Oreo Day on Wednesday. I keep thinking it's Tuesday, but it's Wednesday. But yeah, so that was really cool. Just want to tell you guys that. It was really fun yesterday, and my brother tried it. He was like, what's that in my mouth? It was so cute. And we're like, it's Pop Rocks. And he's like, oh my goodness. Okay, I need some more on the side. I keep on having to like redo my concealer, because it always like, I don't know, it just doesn't look good. See that? Let me see if I can use whoa. Why does it look like that? Okay, so I think I'm just gonna have to like, but I know I'm gonna have a lot of sleepovers on spring break, so I might like do like a video on it. So stay tuned for that. Sorry guys, I kind of got off topic, but I'm trying to like focus. Is that thunder? Oh, I forgot. It's gonna thunder today. Okay, that was kind of hard to do. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Favorite Glow blush. I don't know why I just closed that, but we're all in this together, and we we can see it. Wildcat sing along. I don't really know the words, but I know the song. Oh my gosh. How does that song go? It's the night of the nights. Wait, how does it go? She looks so good, yeah. Of the night of nights, the night of nights, tonight. She looks so good, yeah. On the night of nights, the night of nights, tonight. That's my favorite song from High School Musical. And I love, we're all in this together, and we know who you are. We can sing it, Wildcat sing along. Sorry, guys. Oops. Sorry, guys, I'm like focusing. That's why I'm not talking. Okay. So this hair, don't mind it. It's a mess. Okay, so I think brush my teeth and then I'm gonna use this, but I'll see you when I'm done. Peace. Okay, guys, so this is the fit. I love it so much. Even though it might like either like thunderstorm or rain today, like we might do indoor recess. So yeah, I'll do a little OOTD. Like this shirt is from Dillard's. These are from Dillard's too. Like this is all from Dillard's. Dick's, Nike. And really quickly, I'm gonna be using my Touchland. I do about 2 pumps or 2 squirts of that. And then I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be using this time satin slippers. This one stays on for like a long time. Like I'm saying like really long. But yeah, and I already did my deodorant. But I think that's all for today. But again, make sure you like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the post notifications in just 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to get yourself a round of applause. I'll see you in the next video I do. Bye. Peace.